So you have been a hardcore party worker for JDS from almost 30 years. Now all of a sudden you have resigned JDS. Why this decision?
See, I have resigned based on certain issues. The issue is my party, which was JJS, used to be it is formed and run on secular principles right from beginning. And all of a sudden, our leader Sri H.D. Kumarswamy went and extended his friendship and he joined hands with the BJP, which is indulging in communal politics right from its inception. So once they have joined hands with the communal party, I don't think how the people can be convinced or how we have to tell the people that we still remain secular. That's the reason why I have given my resignation.
What next now?
See, I have been in social service, working for the upliftment of the downtrodden in most of the organizations, many organizations. Hence, I don't have any problem of working for that kind of service. If I have an opportunity in any of the secular parties which are not indulging in communal politics, I'll welcome.
So what could be the reason? Because JDS party once upon a time at the time of election they said we're not going to join hands with BJP and they used to call them as a communal party. Now all of a sudden joining hands with JDS, is it there's a fear in JDS that they're going to be finished in Karnataka?
See, it's our leader, Mr. H.D. Kumarswamy, who has promised all the JDS cadres that he is not going to join the BJP, whatever it may come. But all of a sudden, he has decided to join hands with them. I think he only can clarify the reasons.
Especially Muslims have been loyal to JDS party because since, for example, take your example, you've been from there for almost 30 years. Like before this, you approach you and other leaders from Muslim leaders approach the supremes of JDS like Deve Gowda ji or H.D. Kumar saying like what you're doing is right or wrong?
See, none of the JDS cadres had any doubt about the credentials of the our Supremo, Sri H.D. Deve Gowda ji, and our leader, Sri H.D. Kumarswamy. We never had any doubt. But from past 1.5 to 2 months, the news of chances of joining hands with the BJP started coming. From there on, there were several meetings held in our JP Bhavan office. And everybody discussed this and they have uprised and conveyed to the higher ups that we are all against joining hands with the BJP. Most of the cadres, almost all. And they know very well that nobody is happy with joining hands with the BJP. Still, they have gone ahead. That's the reason why I have tendered my resignation.
I want to ask you one more question, sir. Like there are talks like only Muslims are leaving JDS party. Is it only Muslims or people who believe in secular party are leaving the party?
See, first of all, we all should know that JDS, Janata Dal Secular, always was formed on the secular principles. So everybody who was with the Janata Dal Secular believed on secular principles only. It's not only Muslims who believed on secular principles. Everybody believed on that. Now, everybody has to rethink on that because my party elders have gone and joined hands with the communal party. A party which has, due to, while the party was ruling, Gujarat happened and Manipur and in UP, bulldozer politics is being played. And this kind of party, communal party, if they are joining hands, everybody who believes and stays in secular principles definitely rethinks. It's not only Muslims.
Recently, in a in a meeting which held at Palace grounds, Kumaraswamy also mentioned that he was not happy with the Muslims.
No, before that, several times he has said Muslims have always voted JDS very magnanimously. And even Mr. Devegowda, many times he has said he has reached his chief ministership and prime ministership because of the Muslims who have voted him at the time. They have said like that. If he is telling that Muslims have not voted, definitely sometimes they have not voted because of certain reasons.
So where do you see this BJP JD alliance? Will it last for a long?
Well, it depends. Um, More than the BJP and JDS lasting for a long, JDS will lose its image very heavily. That's what worries us. Because we, the politicians, most of the politicians want a third force to remain in all the states. Here, definitely, BJP is going to merge into JDS is going to get merged into BJP and lose its identity. That's what the JDS cadre worried.
Any appeal to the seniors of the party, H.D. Devegowda ji and Kumaraswamy? Any appeal you want to say?
Well, our appeal is see, our party always remained started as secular party, and our elders always believed that, and they have definitely worked for secularism, and and they believe in secularism. Devegowda ji and H.D. Kumaraswamy believe in secularism. In order to protect secularism, it's better not to join hands with the communal parties.
Congress always used to allege and claim that JDS is a B team. JDS is a B team of BJP. Don't you think today JDS they themselves have proved that they are B team?
Well, see, as far as I am concerned, JDS never was BJP's B team. They have alleged it's their own view, but now the step taken by our H.D. Kumaraswamy is not being liked by most of the JDS cadres.